Besties, hello, I have missed you. Okay, I just got some stuff in from Sephora that I want to try out on my face. I already posted the haul actually, so you already know what's coming, but I want to do my makeup and try some of the things that I just got so we can see how it works. So let's jump right into it. I am getting ready. I have videos to film today. I have work to get done today. I have errands I need to run. It is a very busy day for me, so I want to look good, but I still want to try out these products. I really only have 3 products from the Sephora haul that I'm going to be trying right now. One's a blush, one's a lip product, and one's a mascara, but those are all some of my favorite things. I'm going to zoom you in. Do you feel up close and personal now? All right, let's get to it. This is a primer that I have been absolutely loving. It is the Juice Beauty Phytopigments Primer. I've been using this for years. Okay, I don't know if it necessarily primes my skin more than a different primer, but it gives me a really nice illumination, and there's aloe in the base, so I feel like it feels really nice on my skin, doesn't clog my pores, and it dries down so it's not sticky feeling. So this isn't like the Hydro Grip or anything like that. But first, Nick is the real MVP. I am filming this on a Sunday. I filmed a video yesterday and I uploaded the footage, and there was a crackling noise throughout the entire video, and I spent 4 hours trying to reduce the noise in the video, and it was just terrible. And so then today I was like, okay, I'm gonna refilm, but I'm gonna test the audio before I fully get into it. And it was happening again, and there was nothing I could do to fix it. So then Nick, the beautiful sweet angel that he is, literally ran to Best Buy for me, even though he didn't want to because it's Sunday and he was relaxing. I'm like, I'm so sorry, but will you do this for me? And he was like, yes. He went to Best Buy, got me a new mic, and here we are. We are fully primed, ready to go. I was a little aggressive with that priming. Because I have errands to run and I didn't put an SPF on, I'm gonna use my Ilia Skin Tint. She is bae. I love it so freaking much. I'm just gonna use this for foundation too. I'm using the Sephora 59 brush. I think this is for powder, but I use whatever I want for brushes. I figured it out. I can literally do my entire face with one brush if it's the right kind, and I can do my eye makeup with one brush if need be. I have a lot of brushes, so I like to use them, but I can make it work. I honestly haven't filmed a sit down video in so long. This video is gonna be going up after other ones that I have filmed. But how have we been? I feel like I really haven't been on social media that much since Vlogmas. I kind of burned myself out. So I've just been, you know, doing work, getting my life together, doing a ton of self-care, doing a ton of good things for myself. Oh yeah, I've been healing my injury. That was another thing. When I injured my knee, which I showed you in a video. I've just been doing a lot of physical therapy, a lot of different exercises every day to strengthen my knees back up. And Nick's sister is getting married, so I'm like, I want to be fresh and ready for the wedding. I don't want any hurt knees. This looks really pretty on the skin. I am gonna go in with a concealer. I'm gonna be trying this one. It's new to me. It's the Chantecaille Le Camouflage. Oh, it's an anti-fatigue corrector pen. This reminds me of the YSL Touche Eclat that everybody was obsessed with in 2011, and I never tried it, so I'm gonna live out our dreams right now. And this is a clean beauty brand, so I feel better about it. I don't know how much product I need. I have this pimple from hell right here that just won't go away. It's so crazy. I've never had this type of acne before. I normally, like you guys know, if I ever have something, it's small, it's just a little blemish, but this one has been large and in charge and will not leave me alone. Let's blend this out. I'm so happy it's spring. I've been living my best life this spring. Normally I don't care about spring, you know, like it's just whatever. I get sad that the cold weather is over and it's gonna be super hot in Florida, but I have been really digging this spring. We just got back from a vacation, which was super nice. Nick and I just took a really quick 2-day staycation at this resort, which I have a blog post on, so I will link it down below. And I'll also link everything that I am using here today in case you are interested. I'm gonna put some concealer on my nose because I don't know if I even blended my foundation in on my nose because it does not look great. What's been going on with you all? Like I said, we've just been working here and trying to get our life together. I've been kind of planning and getting together ideas for the next house project that we want to do. This looks weird, but I've just been like gathering stuff, trying to make decisions on basically what we want to do to the house and like what avenues we want to go and when we're going to do stuff and all that jazz. Just planning everything out. I didn't realize how long it would take to do house stuff because everything is expensive these days. but anything related to doing like updating anything in the home is so expensive. Even like on the lower end of the price ranges, it's like thousands of dollars to change anything. I'm like, oh, that's the only thing I miss about renting, is like being able to like fix up your place really easy with like cheap fixes that you can just take down in a year. But when you're in a house, you want to make sure the stuff lasts. So it's a whole different ballgame. It is storming outside. If you hear anything, I'm not sure what the camera's gonna pick up or the microphone, but oh my goodness. Okay, so the base is on. I'm feeling dewy and beautiful. I'm actually gonna set with this powder under my eyes. It's the Westman Atelier powder, if I can get it open. Why is this so hard? Did it. It's just a light pink powder. I haven't really been into the light pink powder trend. I got this as, I thought it was gonna be a really light pink blush, and I'm just using it as a pink powder. It honestly comes off super natural on my skin. It does not look pink at all. It just blends into my skin, so it's perfect. And I find it helps cancel out if there's any like yellowness that is in my foundation or concealer under my eyes. It just brightens it up. Looks gorgeous. So I use that for my eyes, and then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with my favorite palette. This is, I'm pretty sure it's like an Hourglass Volume 2 palette, but I just set my T-zone really lightly, like barely any, and it keeps my foundation there all day. It meshes really well with the skin tint. I've had the hardest time figuring out what powders to use with what liquids, I feel like, my entire makeup career, but this is a good match. You can trust. I'm also gonna dip into the medium and the dark shade for bronzer. This is the one I used to set, and I'm gonna mix these two together to bronze up my face. I feel like it's a pretty natural dewy bronze, which I think is gorgeous. So I have a plan. You probably have already seen it in action. I am increasing my upload schedule again on my blog, because honestly my blog is like my biggest passion project. I really love uploading and posting stuff on there. So I asked you guys in a little poll on the community tab if you preferred my videos or my blog format. A lot of people like the blogs, which I was happy to hear about, but a lot of you just like the videos. So I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do both the blogs and the videos, see how it goes. I'm gonna try to do like batch filming where I can film a couple things on the same day. That way I can get some stuff done. I'm also doing a few videos where I have to film something basically every day, so because it's gonna be like a monthly challenge. So I have a little bit more diversity in my content, but that's really pretty. We want natural today. And I wanna try out this bronzer, this blush. It's Daisy Pink from Lawless. I really wanted a super bright pink blush like the Dior one, and I saw this and I'm like, might be the one. So this is a matte, and if I want it to be shiny, I can put the Dior quad over it. Yeah, it's pretty. It didn't brighten up as much as I thought it would, but it's really pretty. So I think what I'm gonna do, instead of like straight up highlighter, is go in with the Dior quad, and there's a blush shade in here. And I've been doing this a lot lately. Instead of putting on highlighter, I've been putting on a really frosty blush to kind of like be both highlighter and blush. And I think it's really pretty. I don't know if you could see the glow that that gave, but I think it's gorgeous. There we go. Pretty, natural, we love. Actually, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter today. Kind of miss it. Let's move on to eyes, and I have that mascara to try. I'm so happy to be on the tail end of healing my injury. It was rough there. I don't think I've ever been that injured before, so it was kind of like being like really, really sick for a couple weeks where you can't do much and you have to like, everything you do hurts. So I'm glad that is over. I'm gonna do a super simple eye. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped palette. Beautiful neutrals, can't go wrong. I'm just going to take Butter Pecan and fluff her in the crease like it's 2011. Now that that's in our crease, I'm gonna go in with the Carla Cosmetics Fix It Potion. This is a new to me product, and basically it's just this clear gloss that you put on your eyes, and it helps your pigments stick better. I'm gonna be using the Gwen Stefani pigment, and I find that I get a lot of fallout with her pigments. I should have done foundation second, but we're already here. So I'm just gonna put this on my lid and let it get tacky. It doesn't feel tight at all. It just feels like a super light cooling gel. And then I'm gonna go in with my pigment. This one is Glimmer by Gwen Stefani. And we're just gonna pop her on the lid and look gorgeous. You know what's been on my to-do list? I need to listen to the new Taylor Swift album. Everybody has been raving about her concert, and I haven't even listened to the new album yet. I don't even know what's on it. The The last song I feel like I've listened to from her was the Look What You Made Me Do song, and I'm just not up to date lately. I'm gonna move to brows and then finish off with the eyes. I got my brows waxed and tinted and I really like it. I think it's really pretty. They didn't change the shape of my brows, she just kind of cleaned them up with the wax. I realized there's some things that I can do, like some high maintenance things that I can do to make me really low maintenance the rest of my days, and having a wax tint I love because I don't even feel the need to put on any sort of brow product and I look more put together. So I've been trying to invest in that kind of stuff lately. I mean, that's really the only thing other than hydrofacials to make my skin look better, but there will be more. My favorite technique lately is going in with a bronzy brown eyeliner and smudging it all over my eye like a mad woman, not even caring where it goes, and then kind of smudging it out. I just think it makes the prettiest, soft, diffused cat eye that I am obsessed with. After I'm done filming, I'm gonna look in the mirror and do any fine tuning because I cannot see. My mirror is too far away from me to see details. So if you guys are noticing anything, I'll fix it up, don't worry. The trick with this is to like really pile on the eyeliner so you can actually smudge it out, because if not, it's not gonna go anywhere. And now I need to do a little bit of glitz and glam. I always go in with this product that I've been obsessed with. That is a holy grail. I talk about it all the time. It's the best, and Stila makes it. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my brow bone with the color that I set my face with, just so it's a cohesive look. And I forgot brow gel, so I'm gonna do that now. But do you guys have any plans for spring and summer, like any bucket list items? I was thinking about making my bucket list so I actually do fun things and not just like work and do YouTube. Like I wanna, if you guys can hear that from outside, it's insane. There is like trees banging into the roof or something. I don't know what's happening. But anyway, tell me what your spring and summer, I was about to say wish list items are, but you can tell me that. But I really want to know your bucket list items. I'm trying to make mine, so I need some inspo. All right, what have we not done? Mascara and lips. This is a lip pencil. I almost hit myself in the eye. I'm gonna be honest with you. I got it because of the packaging. I saw it and was like, you're coming home with me. It is, of course, from Gwen Stefani, and it has an applicator that I've liked in other mascaras. Can you see that? So pretty. I think that's working really well. It might need 2 coats, which I normally don't do 2 coats of mascara. I just do like 1. All right, first impression. It's a good mascara, but I definitely like the Lawless one better because I feel like the Lawless one builds up faster. This is still a good mascara though. It looks really pretty. And honestly, I might just need to use it a few times before it becomes perfect, because normally I don't like mascaras fresh out of the tube. They need to like oxidize for a few days. Let's put on some lips. Also from Gwen Stefani. I wanted to try her Pout to Get Real. She says it's an overlining lip crayon, but that kind of scares me. I got the shade Do Whatever. Oh, that is such an interesting, I don't know if you can see that. It's only gonna focus on my face. It is the most interesting applicator I've ever seen. I don't even know how to use this. I'm nervous. How do I even? This is so weird. I'm not used to it. I'm like, what is happening? I'm gonna try to use a little brush. Make sure it looks good. I mean, I didn't really overline. I went on my lip, my new lip line. I actually do love the color. At first it was scaring me, but now we're gonna go in with my favorite lipstick as of lately. It has the prettiest pop of pink. There we go. I think it looks really good. This is like perfect makeup for spring and summer. I'm gonna go in with my setting spray. This is my travel one from Too Faced. Wow, so first impressions, everything was great. I mean, there is a learning curve with this lip pencil because of the interesting shape, but the color is gorgeous. So is the blush shade, and I really like the mascara. I need to give it a few more tries, obviously, to make sure that I love it, but so far, fabulous. All right, that is it. That is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. We need to do another one of these really soon. I love them so much. I will link everything I use down below, just in case you're interested in anything like this Carla Cosmetics Fix It Potion. It's so good. I have been obsessed with this. This is so pretty. But thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all the fun YouTubey stuff, and don't forget to check out my blog because I've been working really hard on it. Okay, bye.